Okay students, so in this question we have two moving coil galvanometers named as M1 and M2, and resistance, number of turns in the coil, area and magnetic field of both the galvanometers are given to us, and they are telling that the spring constants are same for both the galvanometers. We have to determine the ratio of current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity for both the meters. This concept we have studied in topic 4.11 moving coil galvanometer, where we have studied this equation K phi is equals to Ni AB. Now from this, what is current sensitivity? The definition of current sensitivity was deflection per unit current. So from this equation, you can make phi by I subject of equation. So this K will go here down and you will be left with NAB divided by K. Now all these values for both the meters are given here. So now you can calculate the ratio of current sensitivity. So see here, current sensitivity of M2 divided by current sensitivity of M1. So for M2, I'll be writing number of turns of galvanometer 2, similarly area for second and magnetic field for the second galvanometer. But this K1 and K2 for both the galvanometers is same as it is given in the question, that spring constants are same for both the meters. So for M2 I can write N2 A2 B2 divided by K, and for M1 I can write N1 A1 B1 divided by K. This K will get cancelled and we will be left with this equation, and from the given values from here we can substitute the values in this equation. We can solve it and can obtain the answer as 1.4. Now we have to calculate voltage sensitivity, and its definition is deflection per unit voltage. Phi divided by V. V is equals to IR from Ohm's law. Now again, what is phi by I? That we have obtained from this equation, phi divided by I, that was this. So we'll substitute this value instead of phi divided by R, and the R remains as it is. So we get this kind of equation, and again we have to do the same process for what we did for current sensitivity. So here it is voltage sensitivity of M2 divided by voltage sensitivity of M1. Here also you can see this KK will get cancelled, and this R1 is in the denominator of denominator, so it will go in the numerator, and this R2 will come in denominator. This whole value N2 A2 B2 divided by N1 A1 B1, we have obtained it. You can see here, this is 7 divided by 5, so I can write here 7 divided by 5 instead of this, and R1 and R2 are given in the question, so you can substitute the value and solve it and obtain the answer as 1.